Did you know that a vintage typewriter once typed its owner's death in real time? In October 2018, freelance writer Yasmin found a beautiful 1940s typewriter at a Salem yard sale. She loved its authentic look on her writing desk, though she always used her laptop for work. But soon, the typewriter started typing by itself at night. First random letters, then complete sentences. The pages described brutal murders from the 1940s, matching real unsolved cases perfectly. Yasmin discovered the typewriter belonged to a crime reporter who vanished in 1943 while investigating a serial killer. Then it got worse. The machine began typing her daily activities, private conversations, even her thoughts. One night, she watched in horror as it started typing her own death scene. The keys moved faster, describing someone breaking into her house at that exact moment. Behind her, footsteps creaked on the floorboards. She turned to see a man in a 1940s suit, preserved by time itself. The original owner had returned to finish his story, and Yasmin became the final chapter.